Hey friends, so right now I'm going to show you how we can start making money on TikTok without doing even hard work. And most of us we love spending our time on TikTok without noticing that we can make up to $6,000 on a monthly basis just on TikTok. So right now I'm just going to show you how, and this is a very simple step. And the good thing about this is that a lot of us can do this, and I'm really going to be honest with you. I talk a lot about how to make money online, so I tried a lot of methods on how to make money on TikTok, and I think this one is the best way for you to start making money on TikTok in this year. So all you need is good internet connection and your mobile phone. After that, you can start making up to $60,000 every single month on TikTok. And in the middle of this video, I will show you payment proof on how much TikTok is paying all the creators and everyone who is ready to work on TikTok. So let's dive in. Alrighty, so this is our very first step on how to start making money on TikTok, and right now I'm just going to show you this videos posted by this account called Health Knowledge 3, and you can see most of his videos are all about health and lifestyle, and he's getting a lot of views, as you can see right now. These videos are getting a lot of views, and he has never showed his face or using his voice on these videos. So this is very interesting, and let's watch one of his videos. And I'm just gonna go ahead and click this video written as what happened to your body if you eat watermelon every single day. So let's watch this video a little bit.
If you eat watermelon every day, what happens to the body? First of all, you can stop being thirsty.
And the very good thing is that TikTok has paid this account more than $60,000 for the past 7 days. I'm telling you that because this account has generated more than 13 million views within past 7 days. So you can see all these views has made more than $60,000 just within 7 days. This is a very simple math. That's the reason I encourage you to start doing what I'm going to show you in this video. You can start making up to $4,000 every single month just by doing a very simple method that I'm going to show you later in this video. And TikTok is paying 50 cents per every 1,000 views that you're just going to get on your video, but also is going to pay you more than $500 per 1 million views that you're just going to get from TikTok. So if you're just going to get a lot of views from your videos, you'll be in a position to start making a lot of money. And I'm going to tell you how to post these videos and where to get these videos just for free. It's very easy. You can start making money right away just after starting posting a video like this. So let's dive into our next step. Alright, so this is our second step. You need to go to this website which is called Pexels, and you can download any video that you want from this website. And let's say that you want to download a watermelon video, just write up here on the search box, write watermelon video, and you have to click right here and choose one of these videos. There are a lot of videos about watermelon, so you can choose any video that you want. You have to click this video, then you can see this word written as download. Then you have to download, then this video will be saved on your file. It can be your computer or your mobile phone. So just after doing that, the point of coming to this website, we're just going to use these videos to upload on our TikTok accounts and start making money just by doing that without showing our face, without using our own voice. So this is a very interesting thing that a lot of people are doing this, and they're making decent amount of money. And this is the reason I want you to follow all these necessary steps for you to start making money right away on TikTok. Right now I'm just going to show you how much people are making on TikTok. This one made more than $3,000, and this one made more than $32,000, and the last one made more than $69,000 just on TikTok. And right after downloading this video, let's go to our next step. Alright, so right now you already have this video that you want to post on your TikTok account, but before go forward and post this video on your TikTok account, you may want to edit this video a little bit, it just to look more attractive. So let's say that you want to talk about the benefits of eating watermelon. You may want to go ahead and ask ChatGPT or Google and ask all these benefits of eating watermelon. And right now I'm just gonna go and use ChatGPT, and I'm gonna ask what are the benefits of eating watermelon. Alright, so you have to copy all these benefits because we're just going to put voiceover using AI, and this is very simple because there are this website that is called 11 Labs. So let's click right here, 11 Labs, and on this website we're just going to paste these benefits that we copied, and we're just going to turn these words into voice. So you have to come down here and paste these watermelon benefits, and then you have to click play to listen to the voiceover that you've just created. And you can choose any voice that you want. It can be boy or girl. You can choose any voice that you want, as you can see right here. And right now I'm just gonna go ahead and click play to listen how this voiceover sounds, and after that we are on our way to start making money on TikTok. This is a very interesting.
Melon is so irresistible? Well, besides its juicy deliciousness, it's packed with awesome benefits.
Right after listening to this audio, you have to click right here, download this audio, and this audio will be saved on your file. It can be your laptop or your computer. So right now we're just going to edit this video a little bit so it just look more amazing, and I'm just going to use Filmora. You can use any program or any application that you like to use. It can be CapCut, it can be KineMaster, but for now I'm just going to use Filmora. And this is my program that I usually use to edit. It's called Filmora, and I'm just going to put this video that I downloaded from Pexel, and I'm just going to put this voiceover that I downloaded from 11 Labs, and then you have to export this video. After this video has been exported, you have to go to TikTok, then upload this video. And for you to start making like a lot of money, you need to upload as many videos as you can, because there are a lot of videos on Pexel, and all these videos are for free. And it's not just about health videos, it can be videos about cars, it can be video about different things. So all you want to do right now, you need to go ahead and start uploading these videos, downloading this video for free from Pexel, and then upload these videos on TikTok. Just by doing that, you can make decent and reasonable amount of money. And I've seen a lot of people, they really don't want to show their face on screen, so this is the best way for you to start making money, just by using free videos without you showing your face, without you doing any voiceover. Just by doing that, you get paid reasonable amount of money. So I really encourage you. This is a life-changing opportunity, and you can take at least 3 months and see how much you're just going to make within 3 months. And the more you keep working very hard, the more you see the success. So I really encourage you, everyone who has nothing to do right now, you can go ahead and try this side hustle, because it can be a very great opportunity for you to start making money online. So I did hope that you are just going to try this, because I am going to try this. I'm just going to go ahead and open my TikTok account right now, and I'll be posting video like this every single day, and I'll just see, maybe in the next 6 months I'll be in another level. So you may want to go ahead and see how much you're going to make just by uploading these free videos on TikTok without showing your face, but also without using your voice. So this is the best way for you to start making money, but at the same time it's not good for other people, because this money making method is only available in USA, Europe, Brazil, Japan, and France, Germany, and Italy. So if you're not from these countries, you can go ahead and use the same methods that I've showed in this video. You can use by posting on YouTube and other great platforms. I really recommend you go ahead and use the same method that I showed you on this video, and start uploading these videos on YouTube, and you can get reasonable amount of money. So thanks so much for watching my videos. My name is Hans David, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you so much.